A very good afternoon and warm welcome to all our viewers. On behalf of Human Biological Institute and Fairness Against Rabies. Fairness Against Rabies is an initiative by Human Biological Institute to educate about rabies and reduce the incidence of disease. It is my pleasure to take this opportunity and share about Human Biological Institute. Human Biological Institute, a division of Indian Immunologicals Limited, shaping global healthcare by spearheading the One Health initiative. One Health initiative talks about the optimum health of animals, people, and the environment. Indian Immunological Limited was established by the National Dairy Development Board (NDDB) in 1982 as its unit and later registered as a company in 1999 with the name Indian Immunologicals Limited. Human Biological Institute was established in the year 1998 when the Government of India requested Indian Immunologicals Limited to produce a modern tissue culture anti-rabies vaccine to phase out the unsafe nerve tissue vaccine. The first manufacturing facility of Human Biological Institute was established at Ooty. This facility is one of its kind in India to have rolled out first virocell culture rabies vaccine in 2000. Subsequently, Human Biological Institute launched other vaccines and currently we are the major player in human vaccines. We are the leader in anti-rabies vaccine segment and we are present in around 60 countries. We are 3 state-of-the-art manufacturing facility at Ooty, Gachibowli and Karkapatla, also known as Genome Valley. Human Biological Institute has forayed into the market of clinically proven wellness products and infertility ranges of hormones. As a company, as we know, we are the kind of company who will definitely look after taking care of the environment as well. We proudly bring before you the Green Initiative. As we have launched our flagship brand, anti-rabies vaccine Abhay, and with this we have taken significant step to reduce the plastic burden by 160 tons per annum. As a company, we don't just manufacture and market products, but Human Biological Institute has done a lot in corporate social responsibility and has taken up various projects. One such project is the adoption of government school. Indian Immunological Limited has adopted the government schools in the vicinity of its Karkapatla facility in Hyderabad. Another program is Gift Milk Program in coordination with National Dairy Development Board, where we are giving additional nutritional supplement to over 1,600 school-going children of Telangana and Tamil Nadu. We have also facilitated the setup of oxygen generation plant at Telangana Institute of Medical Sciences, Gachibowli. The unique advantage of this oxygen plant is that it is capable of supplying oxygen to 70 patients at a time. While we're coming to our vision, mission, and values, our vision is shaping global healthcare by spearheading the One Health initiative. Our mission is to innovate, produce, and market quality healthcare products and services to improve and extend lives. Our values, we believe in providing affordable products with high quality through continuous technical innovation and improvement to meet our customers' need. You can visit us on our website www.indieimmune.com. You can also contact us on our toll-free number 1800-313-999977. You can also follow us on LinkedIn, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. You can go through our unique initiative on fight against rabies at www.fearlessagainstrabies.com and everything you want to know about women health on www.puberty2menopause.com. So once again, I welcome all our viewers who have joined us live today on Fearless Against Rabies platform. Human Biological Institute is celebrating World Immunization Week. World Immunization Week is an annual global public health campaign that aims to raise awareness about the importance of vaccine in protecting people from preventable disease. Well, in today's session, we are going to learn about the topic pre-exposure prophylaxis against rabies. Rabies is an infectious viral disease that is almost fatal once clinical symptoms appear. To enlighten us about this topic, we have a very special guest with us today. Please welcome Dr. Atul Gupta. Dr. Atul Gupta is a highly experienced consultant physician with a successful track record of 27 years in the field. As the director of Sudha Clinic in Bhopal, he has helped numerous patients to achieve better health outcomes. Throughout his career, he has been recognized for his exceptional contribution to medical field, receiving several awards and accolades. These include the Best Zonal Chairman Award, Best Scientific Activity Award, and Best Social Activity Award from the Indian Medical Association (IMA) MP State Branch. A very warm welcome, Dr. Atul Gupta, on Fearless Against Rabies platform.
Hello, madam. Good afternoon to you and your audience.
Well, Doctor, while we start our discussion for today, I would request
Yeah,
you to kindly explain our viewers that what rabies is and how it can affect humans.
yeah. Actually, the rabies is a viral disease. This is caused because of the animal bite, and the most common animal bite is the dog. After that, cat, monkeys, jackals, goose, mongoose, and many more animals. Those are wild. They can cause rabies if they have rabies virus. If the rabies occurs, it is a very fatal disease. As we can say, rabies is 100% fatal and 100% preventable. So our focus is on the preventive part of the rabies.
Okay. Thank you, doctor. Then, are there what vaccines are currently available?
At present, there are various vaccines are available. They are chick embryo vaccine, duck embryo vaccine, human diploid cell vaccine, and vero cells vaccine. In which the vero cell vaccines are the most popular. The positive point is that the dose is zero point 0.5 ml and it is least painful injection.
Okay. So, what would be the recommended vaccination schedule for the Virocell vaccine?
Okay, the recommended schedule is it has two schedules: the pre-exposure and the post-exposure. Pre-exposure means the person who are susceptible to exposed to the rabies virus, and those persons should be immunized before the animal bite. The schedule is 07, 21 or 28. This is the schedule which is used worldwide. And the post exposure is it is the after the bite of the animal, and the schedule is 0, 3, 7, 14, and 28. That means after the bite, the person should get 5 injections, and without bite, he has to take only 3 injections.
Okay. So then, doctor, this question that we want that you should elaborate to the audience is, can you provide more detailed information on the proper wound care management procedure that should be followed after being bitten by a dog?
Once the animal bite occurs, the person should get 5 vaccination as I had mentioned 0, 3, 7, 14, and 28. That means within 28 days he should take 5 injections. It is intramuscular and it should be given in the deltoid region. That means this is the point where he should get the injection, not in the buttock. The reason being the buttock has too much of fat, so the absorption would be hampered. So my advice is most of the staff doesn't know where to give the vaccine. So the important thing is it should be given in the deltoid. If the patient is children that is less than 2 years of age, it should be given in the anterior lateral aspect of the thigh.
Okay, okay, doctor. Then, there are so many misconceptions about rabies, doctor. So I just as a we really want to know, doctor, that what are the some common misconception about rabies, and how as healthcare providers you can help to dispel them.
The various misconceptions are: number one, मेरा कुत्ता तो वैक्सीनेटेड है तो मुझे क्यों इंजेक्शन लेना चाहिए। नंबर वन, सिर्फ स्क्रैच ही आया है, जरा सा ही ब्लड निकला है तो वैक्सीनेशन करना जरूरी है क्या। कुछ लोगों के कन्फ्यूजन ये है कि साहब अब सिंगल डोज आ गया है तो आप 5 इंजेक्शन की बात क्यों करते हैं। ऐसे मेडिकल मैन, जब हमें ही नहीं मालूम कि सिंगल डोज कौन सा इंजेक्शन आ गया तो पब्लिक को कहाँ से पता लगाइए। ये बहुत बड़े कन्फ्यूजन है जिसको कि मैं आपके माध्यम से बताना चाहता हूँ। there is no confusion regarding the pre-exposure and post-exposure. If the pre-exposure schedule we can see, we need only 3 injection. The animal bite is there, we have to take only 5 injection. There is no confusion regarding 2 or 3.
Okay. So, thank you so much, doctor, for answering these questions and clearing the misconception that many people have about rabies. Doctor, well, we will take some questions from our audience now.
Yeah.
Um, there's one question from Suresh. He's asking how much time rabies live in water.
Rabies live in water. एक्चुअली ये रेबीज वायरस जो है एनिमल बॉडी का वायरस है जो कि एनिमल बॉडी में ही ये रहता है। तो इसलिए वाटर का कोई ऐसा लिविंग टाइम का कोई प्रश्न नहीं है कि वो वाटर में कितने समय तक रहेगा। और अगर कुत्ते ने पानी पी लिया है, उस पानी को किसी व्यक्ति ने पी भी लिया तो भी उसको रेबीज नहीं होगी, ये भी मैं आपको बता दूं। क्योंकि रीजन बीइंग वो पानी पिएगा तो उसके स्टमक में जाएगा, स्टमक में जो गैस्ट्रिक जूस रहता है उससे वो वायरस ऑलरेडी डिस्ट्रॉय हो चुका होगा। इससे दैट डजंट मीन कि मतलब कुत्ते वाले का पानी अगर हम लोग ने पी लिया तो हमको रेबीज हो जाएगी।
Uh, thank you, doctor. Next question is, can rabies be treated once symptoms appear, or is it always fatal?
It is the only fatal, but we will try, or I can say medical fraternity try our level best to save that person. But it hardly matters how much effort we can do. It is a 100% fatal disease, so there are negligible chances for the recovery.
Okay. Um, Thank you, doctor, for answering that question. Another question is, how can people reduce the risk of getting rabies?
The risk can be reduced in two ways. Number one, those who are interested in taking, or I can say पेट एनिमल्स जो लोग पालना चाहते हैं उनको एंटी रेबिस वैक्सीन का प्रिवेंशन शेड्यूल अप्लाई करना चाहिए और पूरी फैमिलीज को वैक्सीनेट कराना चाहिए ऐसे प्री एक्सपोजर इम्यूनाइजेशन। दिस इज द preventive part in the pre-exposure area. In the post-exposure, once the person gets bite, he should get the vaccination as early as possible. The first injection should be taken within 24 hours or as soon as possible whenever he will get the medical facility. Number two, if the person is having severe bite or category 3 bite, in addition to the wound cleaning and vaccination routine as per schedule, he should also take rabies immunoglobulin injection. This is the prepared antibodies which immediately protect that person in category 3 bite.
Okay, thank you, doctor. Another question is: are there any long-term health effects for someone who has survived rabies?
The long-term effect is the rabies virus has very short to very long incubation period. I mean to say, किसी को अगर रेबिड एनिमल ने काट लिया है तो उसको विद इन 10 डेज भी रेबीज हो सकती है और 10 ईयर्स के बाद भी हो सकती है. तो दैट डजेंट मीन कि किसी को अगर 10 साल तक नहीं हुई है तो आगे नहीं हो सकती. इसलिए सेफ्टी करना बहुत जरूरी है. प्रिवेंशन इज बेटर देन क्योर.
Uh, Thank you, doctor. There's one question. The question is: how is rabies diagnosed, and what are the tests that are typically used?
देखो, वंस रेबीज अगर हो गई तो उसमें टेस्ट करो नहीं करो उससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा. उसके ये क्लिनिकल डायग्नोसिस ही है जो कि पेशेंट के सिम्टम देख के ही पहचानी जाती है. और एक बार रेबीज हो गई है तो ना तो कोई उसके पास जाएगा ना कोई उसके फैमिली मेंबर्स उसके पास जा सकता है, क्योंकि वो इतनी खतरनाक प्रॉब्लम है. तो कोई भी एक्सपोज होगा तो किसी को भी रेबीज होने की संभावना पूरी पूरी रहेगी. इसलिए टेस्ट के चक्कर में ना रहें कि रेबीज हो रही है कि नहीं हो रही, उसका अपन टेस्ट कर लें. टेस्ट अगर एक ही चीज में अगर देखना है तो अपन ने वैक्सीनेट किया है, उसका एंटीबॉडीज टेस्ट करके अपन अपनी बॉडी का एंटीबॉडी लेवल चेक कर सकते हैं कि हमारी इम्यूनिटी अच्छी है कि नहीं. अगर अच्छी इम्यूनिटी है तो इट्स ओके. इम्यूनिटी अच्छी नहीं है तो आपको फिर बूस्टर डोज लेना चाहिए एंटी रेबीज वैक्सीन का.
Okay, thank you, doctor. There is one last question: is if someone has been previously vaccinated against rabies, do they still need to receive treatment if they are bitten by an
Yeah,
animal or may
this is
have it?
very important. This is a very important and very good question. If the person has taken pre-exposure or post-exposure immunization, if the bite has done within 2 years, that means no need of vaccination if the bite is category 1 or 2. If the bite has done after 2 years up to any year, so then person has to take. If the bite is category 2, so then he has to take only 2 injections. If the bite is severe, for a safety purpose, he has to take 5 injections. And in these persons, no need to take RIG, that is rabies immunoglobulin, because already antibodies are prepared in that person. So no need to take RIG.
Okay. Well, thank you so much, doctor. There's more questions coming up. So another question is by Mr. Dinesh: that what is the minimum age for pre-exposure prophylaxis?
There is no age. जब भी अपन चाहें अपने आप को वैक्सीनेट कर सकते हैं. अगर अपने घर में 6 महीने का बच्चा भी है और अपन कुत्ता पालने की सोच रहे हैं तो उसको भी वैक्सीनेट करा देना चाहिए. दिस इज द शेड्यूल फॉर सेफ्टी पर्पस.
Thank you, doctor. There's one more question by Manoj. Doctor, if person has taken pre-exposure, then for how long time he will be protected?
Approximately 2 to 3 years he is protected, but if within 2 to 3 years the bite is there on the head, neck, or scalp, or on the ear, or on the upper chest, then he has to take 2 injections as a preventive measure, that is 0 and 3. First injection on the day of the bite and second injection after 3 days.
Okay. Thank you, doctor. There's one more question from Mr. Partha. He's asking, doctor, any specific condition where rabies vaccine cannot be given?
Yes, in immunocompromised patients, this should not be given, and in the pregnant ladies, unless it's very mandatory, the rabies vaccination should not be given.
Okay. There's last question from Mr. Akshay. He's asking, what can I do if I have missed my vaccine on the scheduled date?
If you miss as per the schedule, then whenever you remembered then immediately you can rush to the doctor and take your vaccine. जितना जल्दी हो सके लगवा लेना चाहिए. अब छूट गया, गलती हो गई, वो तो रिवर्ट हो नहीं सकती, पर आगे क्या बेस्ट कर सकते हैं वो तो कर लेना चाहिए.
Thank you, doctor, for answering all the questions from audience as well as the internal questions. It was a wonderful session, doctor.
थैंक यू मैडम.
We Thank you so much, doctor. We wholeheartedly thank you, doctor, on behalf of my team as well as Human Biological Institute for sparing your most valuable time with us. I know a lot of people who are watching us have benefited from this wonderful session. I wholeheartedly thanks our viewers as well for being with us in each and every session. Well, you can always follow us on LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter to get more updates on live talk with expert doctors across the nation. With that, I wish everyone a very good afternoon. Thank you so much, doctor.
थैंक यू मैडम. थैंक यू. सो काइंड.